For the past 45 years, Terra has been a leader in the critical environment industry. Our door expertise was refined out of the semiconductor industry of the 1970s and 1980s, when the difference between product failure and product success was one particle. And we've taken that design expertise, enhanced our manufacturing capabilities, and shifted that commitment to excellence toward our doors. Terra's vision is to ensure that our customers maintain low bioburden, low particle environments. Terra's doors are manufactured out of stainless steel with continuous seam welds, smooth, non-porous surfaces that are easy to clean and stand up to hospital-grade disinfectants and alcohol-based cleaners. Terra has doors in the field right now that were installed in clean rooms over 40 years ago. Our doors are durable, rigid, made of 304 grade or 316 grade stainless steel, and built to withstand the rigors of high throughput, high traffic facilities.
For applications where it's critical that the space have a certified sealed design, an automatic door is a preferred option because it has UL listing.
Among the many requirements for UL listed leak-rated cleanroom doors, Terra installs an automatic integrated bottom on all BioSafe swing doors. This mechanism helps maintain pressure inside the room, promotes HVAC efficiency, and minimizes cross-contamination, including germs and insects. The concealed drop-down sweeper seals the bottom gap when the door is closed and lifts up when the door is opened.
For the automatic sliding doors, we offer them in an ISO 6, 7, and 8 configuration. If you would like to go with an ISO 5 design, then we would recommend our BioSafe stainless steel swing doors. The swing doors are rated up to an ISO 5, so we can offer them in an ISO 5, 6, 7, or 8. ISO 5 is the highest class rating that most clients will request. We can also offer them in an ISO 4. What we would need to do is electropolish them and change the stainless steel to a 316.
Pre-hung doors for stick-built facilities come in two different styles. Recessed mount doors for new lab build-outs, and surface mount doors that are ideal for retrofitting to existing facilities. Terra's surface mount doors mount right on top of existing door frames.
The swing doors, we would ship them fully assembled, crated. The customer would install the U-frame inside of the door opening. They would screw it into the opening, and then they would attach the door onto the U-frame. So it's a very straightforward install process once they have the door opening. We ship the sliding doors fully crated. They would be disassembled, but they're very easy to assemble once on site. We include all the hardware that the end user would need to put them together. With the automatic sliding doors, the installer would begin with the header. They would attach it to the door opening, and then they would hook in the door itself. It's a very easy installation process, so you don't need a certified installer. It can be done by the end user. They can plug it into a standard outlet. It doesn't need to be hardwired.
Terra's automatic doors are designed to be hands-free. They come with a touchless keypad.
We have two types of door sensors that we use for the sliding door. We have an overhead sensor and then also a hand wave. The overhead sensor is adjustable. Customers can set it to whatever distance they would like. They can adjust the sensitivity of the opening, the speed that the door would open, and also the dwell time that the door stays open. The feedback that I've gotten from customers who received the doors, they really like the quality, the ease of use for the doors, especially the automatic sliding doors. They're very user-friendly.
Terra offers a broad portfolio of doors. All of our doors are manufactured at our main campus in Southern California. Terra's standard designs are manufactured to industry-leading lead times and stocked at our distribution centers for both domestic and global shipments. Over 90% of Terra's business stems from recurring clients. It's Terra's commitment to continue to support our customers who are operating on the cutting edge of technology to ensure that we install doors that are perfect for their facilities.